If you want to add another user into your Redmi Pad 2, you have to start by opening settings. Next, on the left side, scroll down to the additional settings, and over here you have to go into users. Over here, just click on this switcher to allow multiple users, and you have to click to add a user, click next. First of all, you can change the profile photo if you want. You can do this by taking photos by your camera or picking photo from your gallery, just like this. And also we can set a name. As you can see over here, we can also get this photo editor that will allow us to change the look of the photo. So let's say that I want to get this one. And over here, we can also set the name of the new user by using our keyboard. Click OK if you finish, and then click on the right upper corner marker to create new user. And now if you want to switch to the new user, you have to just click here, and basically you will have to set up this device like you purchased it for the first time. So you will get the first setup screen, and you can set up different settings up to your preferences.